Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. I am standing. The name of this village is Khalmati Chaurapara in Lalmonirhat Shodor. This is Tista River. This river looks very beautiful. Sometimes people come here to relax. And in behind of me, this is my father, and this is my brother Abdul Mumin, and this is his son Adil Mahmoud. We came here to relax. We have to go home. We have finished our Jummah prayer from this village today. Now we are living Jummah Mubarak. May Allah forgive our sins. Jummah Mubarak. May Allah accept us. Allahumma amin. Ya Allah forgive us. Allahumma amin. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.